In this video, I'm gonna give you 7 profitable video content ideas and how to make them profitable by knowing who they're for, what platform they should live on, and the elements for success. The first essential question to ask yourself is, does this video serve me and my business, or does this video serve the viewer? So many businesses are creating video content that just doesn't serve the viewer. They're essentially saying, we exist, so buy our stuff. This doesn't do anything for the viewer, and why would they want to move to the next step with your business if they're not getting any value? These 7 ideas revolve around the customer journey. If you want your videos to be profitable, you need your viewers to buy. To get someone to the buy stage, you need to first establish the know, like, and trust stages. You do this by giving free value through your videos. Before we get to the 7 video ideas, we need to know, who is the video for? The prospect pyramid lays out the different prospect stages and the types of viewers that your videos will be targeting. The top 3% are ready to buy. If your videos aren't giving value, you're likely only targeting this group. This is why giving value is so important, because you're able to target the other 97%. That top 3% of prospects has already moved through those first 3 stages of the customer journey, hence they're ready to buy, but the other 97% has not. So we need to provide value so that they can get through to the trust stage. The goal with this group is to convert. The next 17% are interested and searching. They're in the information gathering mode. The goal with this group is to give buying confidence. They already know that they want your type of product or service, but maybe they're not sure on who to go with yet. So in this stage, you want to become the obvious choice among competitors by being the information source. The next 20% are problem aware. This means that they know about the problem that they have that your product or service solves. The goal with this group is to educate and entertain, getting them closer to the buy stage. The last 60% are not problem aware. This is the majority of your ideal target audience. The goal with this group is to catch their attention so that you can educate on the problem. Aside from prospects, you have fans. These are gonna be your best referral sources. Fans can be your existing customers who have already bought with you and love your product or service, or they can be future customers. These people are not yet a prospect fit, but they may be in the future. A great example of people who are targeting their future customers are the Hermosis. They own a company in which their prospects are business owners that have over 3 million in revenue a year. However, the video content that they make is mostly targeted towards people under 3 million a year in revenue. The reason they do this is because they're getting their potential future prospects to become fans of them, becoming great referral sources. They're either gonna become a great prospect in the future, or they're a great referral source for the now. So we know these videos need to be value-based, and we know the groups of people that we can target. These 7 video content ideas are designed to target each segment of the prospect pyramid and your fans. The first profitable video idea is brand videos. These talk about who you are. Brand videos are for the top 40% of the prospect pyramid. This video can live on your website, your YouTube channel, or other evergreen platforms. The purpose of this video is for prospects to get to know you, but even more importantly, get to know how their problem can be solved. A success element of this video is to talk more about them and their problem than yourself. Again, we want these videos to be valuable to the viewer. You can still talk about who you are as a business by talking about the problem that you solve. The second profitable video idea is product videos. This is for the top 20%, people who are searching or ready to buy. And this video can live on your product page or your YouTube channel. The purpose of a product video is to convert prospects into customers. You can be successful in doing this by making it short, concise, and engaging. The reason why you don't want to blast this video onto all social platforms is because it's mainly for that top 20%, people who are already searching about your business or know about your products. And that bottom 80% really doesn't receive value from this. You can create other videos that hit that bottom 80% much better. The third profitable video idea is social proof videos. This can be customer testimonials or stories, and this is for the top 40%. This type of video can live on your website, YouTube, or your other social media platforms. The purpose is to increase trust. By hearing from other customers that have had successful stories with your business, that'll make a prospect more likely to move through the know, like, and trust stages. An element of success is that you can't go wrong with reviews from raving fans. So if you have customers that love your product or your service, then let them tell their story. The fourth profitable video idea is behind the scenes content. This is for your fans and can live on all social channels. The purpose is to deepen your likability, show the human element of your business, and keep your fans engaged. To be successful with behind the scenes content, it can't be boring. Otherwise, it's just ineffective. You need to create a story or add stakes along the way to keep it engaging. Again, we want this to be valuable, so the goal here is to entertain. The fifth profitable video idea is ad videos. This is for all of your prospects. These can be for your entire prospect pyramid, and they live on any ad platform. The purpose, of course, with ads is to get clicks, leads, and eventually conversions and sales. Using video in ads increases conversion rates. So how do we do that successfully? You want to stop the scroll. You need to make that video ultra engaging, and there needs to be a clear call to action. The sixth video idea is short form content. These are videos that are under a minute and are vertical in aspect ratio. Short form content is for everybody, but especially the bottom 60% of the prospect pyramid. This is because these videos are gonna live on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. And the algorithms of all of these platforms are really good at finding your target audience. The purpose of short form video is to raise brand awareness. By putting this content on social platforms that use the algorithm to reach new audiences, you can reach that bottom 60%, the people who are not problem aware. The success elements of short form video is similar to an ad. You want to stop the scroll and give valuable entertainment or education. The seventh and most profitable video idea is problem-solving videos. Problem-solving videos are for the top 40% of your prospect pyramid and your fans, and these videos can live on YouTube or your other social platforms. The purpose of these videos are to become an authority figure in your market. To be successful with problem-solving videos, you want to give. This is the best way to build trust and authority, and all you have to do is give value. Problem-solving videos are the most profitable because you can move your prospects through the stages of the customer journey and convert them into customers. This video is an example of that, and if you got any value from this video, hit the subscribe button. To learn why your business needs to be on YouTube, watch this next video.